Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're gonna see how do you fit 22 by 12s with a 35-1350 on a 6-inch lift on a Toyota Tundra. Luckily for you, it's pretty easy. We've got to do two things. Starting from the front, you need to take your front bumper. You don't need to trim anything, but you do need to push the front bumper forward. So an easy way to do that is honestly take a little block of 2x4, turn your tires to lock, place the 2x4 in between, and honestly push the bumper forwards about 1/4 of an inch. That's all you'll need to do, then you'll be able to clear it. Then as we move to the back, we're gonna look at the fender. You're gonna chop just a little bit of the inner fender out. What you don't wanna do is cut your inner fender. So take your plastic inner fender, move it forwards. You're gonna cut, again, like 1/4 of an inch of the metal of the fender out. You're gonna keep your body mounts and everything like that. You don't have to cut any of that. It's your actual inner fender. Then you take your plastic inner fender and you'll just pull it back that 1/4 of an inch. And that's all the clearance that you need in order to fit a 12-inch wide wheel with a 35-1350 or whatever on a 6-inch lift on a 2017 Toyota Tundra. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know. Call us 833-268-2577. We would love to help you, or you can DM us, message us, email us, put in a lead form. It doesn't matter. We want to help you. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.